up like that is just drop and roll, as opposed to drop and sit in your kayak and paddle off like that. Let me get it in position here for you. And I'll take care of your paddle. But yeah, see you girls,
she's a pro.
Center of gravity,
Yeah.
I go swimming. Osprey nests can get pretty big. Any assist will work.
Wonderful adventure.
Yeah. Well, as Pam's sister would say, I see hope at the end of the tunnel. No. No dead end yet. Well, I'll give you one guess how many people have done that. Same way you came out.